Good morning, everybody. It's not even close to morning, but it was closer to morning when I woke up, if that counts for anything. I'm still laying in my bed, eating my lunch because it's cold and I have a heated blanket, and that feels nice. But, I'm basically stranded here until tomorrow or Wednesday, maybe, because of the blizzard warning. So yeah, that's a thing that's happening. But for lunch, I made this homemade lentil soup. It's very delicious. Also, I made this delicious looking frozen strawberry lemonade. So good. I don't know why, I just randomly got the idea to do the lemonade thing today. But I always make the soup. I really like lentil soup, and I'm like, okay, that's cool. Maybe someday I could make a cooking video on that. Is that something you guys want? Would you want to see that? I don't know. You tell me.
Hey everybody, so it's currently, whoops, yeah, but, also, it's negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit. That's Fahrenheit, just to clarify. Don't say negative 13 isn't that bad because you think it's Celsius. No. No, I say. Yeah. Don't even ask what I'm doing right now. On my way to the gas station. I'm not going to fill up my tank all the way because it's negative 13 degrees and that's not going to happen. So I have like the push button start thing on my remote, the remote start, and it's like the world's greatest thing ever, but today it gave me like the warning thing when I just tried to start my car now and I was like home, that my car wouldn't start. So I instantly like freaked out and put on my sweatshirt, went up to my car and like manually tried to start it, and it like wouldn't start at first. And I don't know, eventually it started, but it is driving so crazy. It is so froze up. I'm just like, yeah, I need to let this run for a minute, and then maybe drive it for a minute, because I have places that I need to be tomorrow morning, and I can't have my car not starting tomorrow. I was seriously having like a mini freak out, little panic attack. I was thinking about, okay, so if it doesn't start, I'm gonna like get up super early and like, I don't know, like call my parents in the morning and try to see what they say to do, because I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, I've come to the conclusion that you guys probably can't even see me, which, like I always say, is probably to your advantage, really, but, I'm gonna go, and I will see you in a minute. So I just got back from the, gas station, and the short time I was gone, it's already down to negative 16 degrees Fahrenheit. It's effing cold outside, so that happened. Now I'm trying to thaw myself out. It's so cold. It's ridiculous. I want summer back now. Just take a minute to discuss the fact that I have to research all these different types of meat. Oops. And like research a whole bunch of information about them and stuff in place of having to go to class today because of the blizzard. I don't eat a single food item
on that list. Not even a little bit of it. So that's annoying. Just wanted to point that out. Gotta read through this information, this whole chapter on meat stuff, and it is a waste of my time. Also, in case you're wondering why I'm still up, it's because I have a partial cancel day tomorrow. So I just thought I'd stay up and have fun, said nobody ever, in regards to this assignment. Alright, this is weird. Why do I have to know this? So I am entertaining myself with YouTube videos. Right now I'm going through all Grace's videos. I need something to keep me sane because this assignment sucks.